Now we have injector assembly. As you can see, 4 injector connected to a fuel rail. Kia Rio 2011. Now in this video, I show you how to clean injector without expensive tools. No? So this is the injector. Injector body. This is the nozzle bit. Inside the ventral injector and magnetic coil. Inside here is the plunger also. Now how to clean injector without expensive tools. I wanna show you. Now here is my DIY. Now this is the inlet. This is the small tube from the cleaner. Okay, let's start. So now I'm using from the scrap. As you can see, 1000 watts DC to AC power inverter. Customize. Now customize. Ginawa ko to para pang supply ng injector. Ito yung wire. Yung negative ang positive. Dito na yan ikakabit sa injector. So make it sure the two wires not cross to each other. It cause injector damage. Masisira yung injector. No, pag nagkadikit yung positive ang negative wire. Siguraduhin lang, kunting ingat lang. So now, this is my DIY supply, power supply, inverter. You have a battery. The red wire connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the black wire terminal of battery. This is the supply. Now I'm gonna on. Now clicking start. I use clicking type. No, clicking type. I show you. Oh, now we have a lead light. Connect to the positive terminal, and this one is the negative. Yan. Then switch on. Yan. That is blinker. Yan. Okay. So start na tayo. Ito also injector. We have 4 injectors. We have the socket. The other one naiwan dun sa unit, sa harness. So ang injector, we have 2 wires. 2 wires, same wire. White wire is the positive supply, 12 volts DC, and the yellow, the other one is different color, and the other one also red, and this is the black, and this is the white. So this is coming from ECU. No, the signal, the negative wire of the injector is provided by the ECU. Okay, now let's start connect the negative, positive. Yes. Then I use electronic cleaner contact, this one. So after now clicking, let's see. Okay, yes, you see, now the injector is working good. Now the injector is working good. Very nice. Okay. Okay, stop. Please observe the injector. Another one. Yan. Wow. It's a nice. Okay. Next. The other one. Make it sure. Be careful. The two wires not connected. Do not cross the wire to avoid damage of the injector. Okay. You see? Okay. Perfect. 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 Next. The third one. Then you see? No good. After oh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Same process for motorcycle injector. This is injector Yamaha. I think this is the for the Aerox. So same process. Don't forget off the power supply. No problem. Taran. This. And same like this. Okay. Then on. See? This is good. Very good. Very good. Oh. Last one. Last injector. Switch on the power supply. See? Wala na tayong ano. Ayan yung buga. Okay. Napakaganda. Then off. Then silyuhan na lang natin to. Then pagtanggal natin dito, silyuhan para wala nang papasok na natin dito. So bago magtapos, thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Mechanic 2001 para laging updates sa mga videos na papalabas natin. No? Ito yung sa motorcycle injector. Ito naman yung sa Kia Rio na overhaul po. Injector assembly Kia Rio. GDI engine. No? GDI Kia Rio. Yan. Hyundai. Kia. Mas pareho lang sila. GDI. GDI meaning gasoline direct injection. Yan ang Kia. GDI. So, thank you so much sa panonood. Mechanic 2001.